Welcome to Cool Plugins. In this video, I will show you how you can use the default list layout of Event Shortcode for the Event Calendar plugin. For this, go to Add New Page under Pages submenu. And create a new page and add Events Shortcode block. By default, template and style are List Layout and Style 1. Click on Publish button and view the page. Let's return to the page editor and view the remaining styles for list layout. You can select any style what you want under Select Style tabs. There is also an option to change the date format. You can select any one that you want. You may also set the limit of events, how much events you want to display on your page. Under the extra settings, there are two options to hide venue and enable share icon. If you want hide venue, then click on yes and update it. Refresh the page and see that the venue is not displayed. The same goes for the enable share icon. If you want to show share icon, then click on yes and update it. Under the Events Query tab, you can select the event's time. By default, it is future. You can also select the order of events based on date of event under Events Order. You can also filter the events by category and date according to your preferences. Thanks for watching this video.